Consider one example on number system. Perform the following. Convert 925.75 which is in decimal to base 2 and base 16. Subtract 11011.11 which is in base 2 which is in binary from 10101.11 using 2's complement method. So we'll take the first case, that is convert 925.75 which is in decimal to base 2. Base 2 means we are supposed to convert this decimal number into binary. Base 16 means hexadecimal. So first we'll take 925.75 which is in decimal. What is binary equivalent of this? That is base 2. So first we'll take the full number, that is 925. So to convert decimal number 925 into binary, divide the number by 2 repeatedly. Yes, now I will divide 925 by 2, that is 2 4s are 8, 1 12, 2 6 are 12, and here we have 5 by 2, that is 2 2s are 4, carry will be remainder will be 1. Divide 462 further by 2, that is 2 3 1, remainder is 0. Further divide this by 2, that is 1 1 5, remainder is 1. Further divide it by 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 15, 2 7s are 14, it is 1. Further divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 17, 2 8s are 16, it is 1. Further divide by 2, that is 14, remainder is 0. Further divide by 2, it is 7, remainder is 0. Further divide by 2, it is 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. Further divide by 2, we'll get 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. Take the number from bottom to up in this fashion. Therefore 925 which is in decimal is equal to 1, next 1 1 0 0, next we have 1 1 1 1 1 1, next we have 0 1 0 1. So this is binary representation of the number 925. So now we'll convert the fractional decimal number into binary. Here the fractional decimal is 0.75, that is 0.75. Fractional decimal is converted into binary by successive multiplication by 2. That is, multiply this number by 2, will get 1.50. Now restore this 1, I will write it as 1 here. Now take the remaining number, that is 0.50, multiply this by 2 again, will get 1.00. Okay, we'll note this 1 here. Further, if you multiply 00 by 2, the result will be 0. Now we have to stop the process and represent these two numbers from top to bottom fashion. That is, therefore 0.75 which is in decimal is equal to 0. It is 1 1, that is 1 1. So therefore now writing these two numbers together, that is 925.75 which is in decimal is equal to 11100 11101 11101 point. The remaining numbers are, here it is 1 1 which is in binary. So now we supposed to convert 925.75 into hexadecimal, that is base 16. This can be done in two ways. The first method is divide 925 repeatedly by 16 as we have done for binary number. Later the fraction decimal number, that is 0.75, multiply this with 16 as we have done for binary. The another method is convert this number into binary and binary to hexadecimal. So already here we have converted the decimal number into binary. We'll try to convert this binary into hexadecimal. So that is nothing but converting 925.75 into the hexadecimal. So the binary number which is obtained is 111001101.11. To convert this binary number into hexadecimal number, do the grouping of 4 bits, that is from the decimal point. That is, in first group we will be having 4 bits, that is these 4 are the first group. In second group we are having 1001, that is this is second group, and here in third group we are having only 2 bits. Add 2 more zeros here, will make it third group. Similarly here we have only 2 bits, add 2 more zeros and do the grouping right from decimal point, that is this is one group. Now we'll convert each group into a hexadecimal number, that is 0011. In hexadecimal its value is 3. 1001 in hexadecimal 1001 is nothing but 9. Here we have 1101 is equivalent to D, 1100 is equivalent to C. Therefore, the hexadecimal representation of given decimal number, that is 925.75, which is in decimal, is equal to 39D.C in hexadecimal. This is the solution for first subproblem. First take 2's complement of the number to be subtracted. Here 11011.11 is to be subtracted. Take 2's complement of this number, that is 11011.11. We'll take first 1's complement of this. The 1's complement of this is 00100.00. Now adding 1, it gives 2's complement, that is 0 plus 1 is 1, 0.00100. Now we are supposed to add this number to this number, that is 10101.11 plus 00100.01. That is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So here we can see that no final carry is generated. It means that this is not an actual result. The actual result is obtained by taking 2's complement of this number and applying minus sign. Therefore, actual result is obtained by taking 2's complement. Therefore, the 1's complement of this value is 00101.11. Adding 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. This is 1, 0, 0. So this is the actual result. For this actual result, we have to apply minus. Therefore, the subtraction of 11011.11 from this number is equal to minus 110.00. Thank you for watching.